Good evening, guys. This is Genius Guide tutorial. My name is Celestine. I'm here to teach you guys on how to solve eigenvectors of a 2 by 2 matrix. Now, I have this question. Find the eigenvector of the matrix A equal to 2, 4, 3, 1. Solution using the formula A minus lambda I, where lambda I is a word, where I is a word, the unit matrix, and lambda is a word. Now, and A is the matrix A, and I is the unit to matrix. Therefore, to find the eigenvectors, firstly we have to find the eigenvalues. Now, therefore, to find the eigenvalues is using the formula A squared minus AS plus S2, where S is the sum of the diagonals of the matrix, and S2 is the determinant of the matrix. Therefore, X is equals, and the sum of the diagonal of the matrix is this. Therefore, X is 2 plus 1, which is 2 plus 1 is 3, and X2 is the determinant of this matrix. Now, therefore, the determinant of this matrix now becomes what? This minus this. 2 times 1 is 2, minus 4 times 3 is 12. Now, 2 minus 12 is what? Minus 3. Now, after doing that, factorizing, and after doing that, put x2 equals to minus 10 and x equals to 3 in this equation. Therefore, we become what? A squared minus 3a plus what? Plus x squared plus x squared, where x squared is minus 10, that becomes what? Minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore, factorizing this becomes what? A minus 5 bracket A plus equals to 0, where A minus 5 equals to 0 and A is 5, and A plus equals to 0. Therefore, A is equals to minus 2. Therefore, A1 is minus 2 and A2 is equals to 5. Now after doing that, to find the eigenvectors is using the formula A minus lambda I, where A is a matrix A and I is a unit vector. To find x1 is A minus that is lambda I, where A is a matrix, which is 2, 4, 3, 1. Now plus, since this is minus, and if you check x1, now to find x1, what is lambda 1? Lambda 1 is this, that is minus 2, right? So putting that becoming minus, that becomes plus 2 bracket your unit vector 1, 0, 0, 1. So putting it together, that becomes what? So that becomes 2, 4, 3, 1. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times 1 is 2. Now bringing this down, x1, x2 is equal to what? 0. Therefore, after doing that, it becomes 2 plus 2, 4, 3 plus 0 is 3, 4 plus 0, 4, 1 plus 2 is 3. Breaking this down, that becomes what? 4. Now multiplying, that becomes 4 times x1. Therefore, if you multiply all this, that becomes 4 times x1 is 4x1 plus 3 times x is equal to 0, according to this equation 1, right? And the 4 times x1 is 4x1 plus 3 times x2 is 3x2, according to this equation 2. And therefore, after doing that, that becomes 1. So after doing that becomes 4x1 plus 3x2 is equal to 0, equation 1, and 4x1 plus 3x2 is equal to 0, equation what? 2. Now, therefore, from equation 1, 3, making x2 solve formula. That becomes 3x2 is equal to minus, this also become minus 4x1. Divide all through by coefficient of x, which is all through by 3, cancel x2 is equal to minus 4 over 3x1. Now x2 is equal to, where x1 is always 1. Now minus 4 over 3 times 1 is the same thing as minus 4 over 3. Therefore, final answer for x2 is always inverse of x1, which is now x2 is equal to 1 over minus 4 over 3, which is given what? 3 over minus 4. Therefore, x1 is equal. Now, therefore, x1 is equal to lambda 1. x1 is equal to what? That is lambda 1 equal to 3 minus 4. So this is the answer for what? X1. To find x2 now is the same thing. Apply your formula A minus lambda I. So it becomes matrix A minus where your lambda 2 is what? 5 minus 5 bracket your unit vector, which is 1, 0, 0, 1. Bringing this x1, x2, that becomes what? That becomes 2, 3, 4, 1 minus 5, 0, 0, 5. So that becomes what? 5. That becomes what? 2. If you multiply this, 5 times minus 5 times 1 is minus. So if you multiply this, that becomes what? So that becomes 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 1 is 5. Breaking this, then x1, x2 equals to 0. Now that becomes what? 2 minus 5 is minus 3. 3 minus 0 is 3. 4 minus 0 is 4. 1 minus 5 is minus 4. Breaking all this, now x1, x2. So that becomes, now therefore multiplying this becoming what? Minus 3 times x1 is minus 3x1 plus this times this is this, equal to 0, according to equation 1. This times this is this, and this times this is this, according to equation 2. Now from equation 1, make h2 solve formula becoming 3h2 is equal to 3h1. Therefore, divide my coefficient of h2 all through by 3, now h2 is equal to x1. All now, therefore, after doing that, forget about this equation. It doesn't matter. After doing that, I know the x1 is always 1. Now, therefore, x2 is equal to 1 over inverse of x1, which is something as 1. Now, therefore, x2 is equal to x2 x1, which is 1 and 1. Now, therefore, the eigenvectors of this matrix, eigenvector of this matrix, of this whole matrix is what? X1 equal to lambda 1, which is 3 and minus 4. S2 equals to lambda 2, which is 1 and 1. Now, therefore, these are the eigenvectors of this matrix. Please, guys, if you find this video helpful and interesting, please do like and subscribe. Thank you.